just going in to collect the camera now. And the deer are still there. Good morning everybody, and welcome to Wildlife and Nature Vlog number 11. And as you can see from behind me, I have finally made it to the Lake District. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's like a mill pond out there. It's very still. It's a lovely morning. And I am going to do a bit of exploring. I'm going to wander up the path, up the lane from where I'm staying, and hopefully into some woodland. Right, let's go and see what we can find. Heron. Wow. How amazing does that look? There's a bit of mist just over the water there. Sun's just coming up. Beautiful. So we arrived yesterday afternoon about 3 o'clock, and having checked out our accommodation by about 3:30, myself and my lad had the wetsuits on, and we were in the water just checking out what the visibility was like, snorkeling. We probably stayed in there for a good hour, just swimming up and down. It's quite rocky. This is Bassenthwaite Lake behind me. That's where we're staying, and we've got a lodge just over here somewhere, right on the lake. We've even got a hot tub. That's good. So once we've had a day's snorkeling, we can warm up a bit in the hot tub, so that's good. So yeah, we've checked that out. Today we'll probably be inflating the kayak and the paddleboard, and we'll be getting out there because it's looking like it's going to be a nice day. Loads of blue sky. You can see more mountains behind us, but we won't be going up in there in the kayak. So that's the plan for today, but I just wanted to check out, there's a walk all the way along the edge of the lake that goes into some woodland, which I think is just ahead of me now. So yeah, we're just going to crack on and just exploring really today, just seeing what's around, and hopefully I want to set the wildlife camera. I've already seen a heron. I've scared that off twice now in the space of about 15 minutes, just on the edge of the water. So I need to pay a little bit more attention, and yeah, look out for a place where I can place the wildlife camera. This is a public footpath, so I need to find a suitable location, but hopefully we'll find one. Right, let's carry on. There's a wide variety of wildflowers along this path running alongside the lake. Some that I recognise. I've also found some vetch in there as well, which is one we learnt recently. And I'll be able to check a few of these on the app. See what we've got. There's a whole wash of wildflowers all the way down here and all the way down this side. See, the lake's just there, and this path along the side of the lake is beautiful. I apologise if I keep panning around, but it's just breathtaking. Well, flying geese. Saw a Hercules fly straight down the valley yesterday afternoon. Massive. Obviously, Hercules are very big aircraft. Flew all the way down. So hopefully we might see some more of that. Tornadoes and things like that. The blackberries here don't seem to be doing as well as back home. There's plenty of them, but they're certainly not ready for picking those. At least I wouldn't give them a go. I think that might be water mint. I'll have to check on that one, amongst others. There's loads of wildflowers here. Not sure what that one is. And there's one we do know. There's our vetch. So currently in the middle of Bassenthwaite Lake, just paddled out into the middle. Eden's way over there on the paddleboard. She's doing really well. We're over halfway now. That's where we've come from, over there. It's a beautiful day. It's really sunny. It's quite windy out in the middle here though. You can feel there's a bit of rock to the boat, but Eden's doing really well on the paddleboard. First time she's been out on the paddleboard. So we've not far to go now, so we'll get to the other side and then we'll radio in back to base. Right, catch you in a bit. Right, well, we've made it to the other side. It was quite tricky in the middle, wasn't it?
Yeah, really wavy and we're going against it.
A little bit choppy and it's been blowing us down the lake a bit, but there's nowhere to land really, so we're just tucked in the reeds. We've just seen a heron fly out from over there. But we're just going to call in to base, so let's just give it a try. Jester Bushcraft to Marine Base Alpha. Do you read? Over.
I read. Loud and clear.
Yeah, that is really loud and clear. We've just seen a heron just take off out of the reeds.
We couldn't see it from over here, but we'll take your word for it. Over.
Yes, I think you would have struggled being right over there. But yeah, we're just sat in the reeds at the moment, so we don't drift around.
You're not going onto the land then, you're not getting off the boat, okay?
No, there's nowhere to get out. It's literally just reeds and then trees, and then there's an embankment which we can't get to, and then I think it's a road beyond that.
I see. Okay.
Right, we're just going to sit here in a bit, have a drink, have a bit of a chill, and then we'll head on back.
Okay, well, watch the proceedings from here. Out.
Right, that's cool. So the walkie-talkie's working really well. I don't know how far it is across the other side of the... Where is it? Where have we come from?
Over there.
Oh, over there. Yeah,
I could have tracked it.
we have drifted down a bit. Can you track it on the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah, track it on the way back.
I will track it as a run.
Yeah, all right.
Or a swim.
Or a swim.
Or a walk.
Yeah, either.
Or a workout.
I don't think it matters. Right, we're just going to chill out for a bit, have a bit of a drink, and then we'll head on back. During my stay in the lakes, I have had chance to put the wildlife camera out. Nothing to go on really, just a case of placing the camera in a position that looks promising, and I'm pleased to say I have got some footage, so why don't you take a look? So, what do you think about that? Makes a change from the fox. Really pleased to get that footage. The day after I'd placed the camera, well, the evening that I placed the camera, I was wandering back, and I heard some rustling in the bushes, and there I saw two little roe deer. So I thought, ooh, that's promising. And then probably every night after that, I've been out placing the camera, and I wasn't always successful, but yeah, I did manage to get those few clips that I was really pleased about. So that was really exciting, and I've actually just been to collect the camera. Well, I haven't actually picked it up yet. I went to collect the camera, and there in front of me were two of the young roe deer. Right near the camera, so I thought, well, I actually just stood there and watched them for a bit, and then I thought, well, I'll just leave them alone whilst they're in the vicinity of the camera, and I thought I'd just carry on my walk, and I'll just go and collect it on my way back. So they might still be in front of the camera now, who knows, I'll check when I get back, but yeah, that's looking good. Right, I'm just going in to collect the camera now. Still there. Oh, there they go. There's one of them. Bounding off, the other one's still here, I think. There it is. There is a fence in that corner. I think it can't get past. Oh no, it's feeling trapped. I don't like this. If I come down here, it'll go the other way. Oh, I don't like this. Sorry. Go the other way, go on, go the other way. That's it, go on. Go that way. Hey. Go on. Go on. I've been lucky enough to see lots of herons this week, both on my walk in the morning, up and down. You just look behind me here, all the way along here, the heron just moves from position to position as I walk down the lake. And I know there's plenty of fish in the lake because all around the edge of the lake here I've been snorkeling with my son, and we've seen lots of fish, lots of perch, some quite big actually, lots of little shoals of fish. So it's no wonder that the herons are around here, so that's been really good to watch. And on occasion I've been snorkeling and I've bobbed my head up out of the water and I've seen the heron quite close, and as I just lift my head up slightly, the heron just spots me and pew, off it goes. So yeah, so that's been really good. Snorkeling wise, it's been amazing. We've had a really good week. The weather's been unbelievable. We have had some thunder and lightning, and last night we had a lot of rain last night, so it's very damp underfoot, but we have had a lot of warm weather as well, so it's been absolutely ideal for snorkeling, paddleboarding, kayaking. We've had an absolutely fantastic week. We found lots of cool items snorkeling. If you want to see the whole snorkeling video and what we found, then there will be a video on that, so I'll put a link up here, I think it's here, and there'll be one down in the description as well, so you're more than welcome to watch that. Right, I'm going to carry on my walk now, and then I'll head back and I'll collect the camera and see if we've got any more footage of the deer. Right, let's crack on. That's where the camera was. Right there. Should have some good footage. Don't know why I'm still whispering, because they've gone now. Well, that brings us to the end of our little trip to Cumbria. I hope you've enjoyed that, and if you did, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, then please click on the icon here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you back in West Lancashire.